Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix effect option not showing on Instagram story. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Instagram apps and then tap and hold on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info, just tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down, go to storage option. Now clear cache your Instagram storage, just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store or App Store and then update your Instagram apps. So search Instagram and then update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now go to Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then follow next step. Go to Instagram and then go to Instagram profile. Now tap on three line icon. Now scroll down and find help option. Now go to help option. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now send report. Just tap on send option. After this process, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.